I'm Larry Reeves with LKQ Heavy Truck. I'm the Director of Procurement. So we're a dismantler at heart. So we buy heavy truck, and then we take the trucks apart and we rebuild engines, transmissions, rear ends. We also complement that with a full line of aftermarket parts. What people don't realize is that we have the ability to give them options when they're trying to win a job or win a project for their customers. So they may be able to, we may have the same brand new transmission, but we also offer options for maybe a tested and inspected or a completely rebuilt one that we can offer at different price points to help our customers win the business. All of that comes with a full warranty as well. And we also offer our reman ECMs, and we also have a core liability program too. So if you have problems with or questions about core liability, we can help you out with all that as well.